This car is getting traded in tomorrow, and I also turned the check engine light off. Shh. Hey everybody, it is 26 degrees here in Lexington. I'm getting ready to do some work with my friend Tiff's Rav4 Prime plug-in hybrid. It's a 2019, I think she said. If that's wrong, I'll correct it. We're going to do oil change, engine filter, and a cabin filter. This car is getting traded in tomorrow, and I also turned the check engine light off. Shh. But I'm going to do the easy stuff. If you don't know, today is the 16th of January, 2026. Advanced Auto Parts. I have a friend that works way up the ladder at Advanced Auto Parts. The home office, they are not carrying Fram anymore. So all the Fram oil filters are like $1. All the air filters are like $2 or $3. She said potentially in the next 2 or 3 months, they're going to quit carrying Fram oil, so the oil will go cheap. So keep an eye on that. But we're going to start today with the engine filter. This is your part number. This is the Fram part number. They can cross-reference for you. FDA 12289 is the engine filter. We're going to start there. This is simple. This is the good, easy ones. All this is right here. You literally have 2 clips. One there, one there. Pick it up. Pull it out. This one doesn't look. I've seen a lot worse. Okay. Take your new one out of the box. Boom. Make sure it's the same. Yep, the only difference is this one has the, does it say who made this one? Made in India, VA 500. I wonder if that's an OEM one or whatever. But this is the Fram one. It is different because it has the grid on it. So what we'll do, we will literally just pop that bad boy back in there. Now it does have 2 tabs here on the bottom. You want to hook those in. Okay, once you hook those in, push it down. You'll hear your clicks click and your clicks click. If you didn't see that, there. These are these tabs I was talking about. They literally just go in, you push it down, click those, you're done. 5-minute job. The last step of this process, put everything in here, and then put that in your recycling. You're done. That's how easy it is to change the air filter on this Rav4 Prime. Real quick, Steve and I appreciate you watching this video. We hope it helps you get this job done today. If you can take a second of your time and hit that like and that subscribe button, it helps us make more videos like this. And the more these videos I get to make, the less I have to go to my day job. So appreciate it.